this building.
This is a neat place. You don't see a lot of architecture like this anymore. It's still
You really don't.
original conditions. It's in Dover.
Dover.
Let's go down first. There's the map. You can see it. And it's like the whole original Dover cab too.
Dude, that's weird. It has like the striped colors.
Original fixtures.
Dude, this is a very 60s cab, 70s or 60s.
Probably late 60s, early 70s.
This is
It's nice to see some more of these fixtures.
absolutely.
Some of my favorite fixtures.
Yes,
I
these are
have
very
these,
nice.
I have a ton of them. So.
Yeah, no kidding. You don't have the ones, or neither of us have the ones that are the black with the white, but the white ring
none of
though.
us have those. I think Andrew has those.
I know some people have them. I mean, I'm sure maybe when some of these get modded, we'll get some.
Hopefully, if we can keep up with them.
Let's be quiet on the way up, though.
Should we take back to one and then end the video there?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is such a neat place.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go one. Mind if I switch with you?
Sure. Because we're ending anyway. These old textured doors, that was something that you don't see that anymore either.
No, yeah.
I mean,
They're
the
all
steel
just
ones do look a
steel.
little nicer.
It's got a
honestly.
Kone door sensor.
Oh yeah, what's interesting is like a lot of parts are Kone parts.
Oh yeah, look, the fire key switch was replaced with FEOK. It literally was just slapped on the old key switch. That's funny. Anyway,
That's it.
that's it.